Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been an interesting week. I received a comment on my YouTube channel from Carol, and she said, my page looks like yours, however, image sets is missing. Now, this was on my finding, purchased, uploaded image sets in Cricut Design Space. Now, when I'm talking about purchased image sets, I'm referring to what we used to call the cartridges. And they've changed Cricut quite a bit. And it seems like every time they change something, something else disappears, or we have to do something differently, or things look different. So it's hard to keep up when you're doing videos. I have to admit, I make a video and then it's no longer workable. So I want to share with you my latest way to find, and it's not a great way, but it's the best I can come up with right now. So let's just get started, and maybe you'll understand more as I go along. What I'm trying to teach in this video, and we'll see if I'm successful or not, is I'm trying to teach how to find these image sets, or as we used to call them, cartridges, that you have purchased. All right, let's go. I've come into Cricut Design Space and I haven't done anything. This is where we open up, right? So I'm going to go over to Canvas. Here's an interesting thing. It just shows up like a canvas and there's nothing here. That panel on the right doesn't show up. Okay? Then I'm going to come over here to the left-hand side of my screen where it says Images. I'm going to left click. Now, you can go down here to Advanced Search. This is down at the bottom. You can click that. And this is how I used to find these cartridges that I had purchased. So I would come in and click that. I'm going to pull up the old YouTube. Here it is. I took a screenshot of it. And you can compare here. You can see that we have categories, all images. So I'm going to click all images. And now you can see that we're featured. Here's the old one, featured. Recently added, popular, popular, and image sets is gone. And see here where it used to be? Okay, that's how we found those before. So now that's gone. And I've looked through, I thought, well, is it way down here? But no, it's not. So then I thought, well, all right, let's look through here, and I couldn't find it here either. Now here's purchased, but that's just going to be images. That's all that's going to be. It's not going to be the cartridges or the image sets. So here's what I'm going to suggest. This is what I'm going to do when I'm looking for something. I'm going to use a couple of examples. There is a horse that I really like. He's a horse and he's eating hay. So I'm going to type in here horse. Now you'll notice that I've got my purchased checked. All right, so this is going to be a purchased image because the image has been purchased if the cartridge was purchased. Do you follow me? I hope you follow me there. So I've got this purchased marked. I'm typing in horse. And I'm just going to click return on my keyboard. Gang, I just solved the problem. Right here with you, I solved the problem. Look, image sets. Look at that. Huh, interesting. Okay, the horse that I wanted didn't come up when I clicked image sets. So let me show you what I was going to show you. Then let's go back and let's explore that. This is cool. All right, so the horse that I wanted to see was horse eating hay. So let's say eating hay. And we're looking under purchased. Horse eating hay, there he is, right there. Now, I can click this. I'm left clicking. I'm scrolling to the bottom. There he is. If I just want to add him to canvas, I can. But I can come down here. This sets with this image. There it is. This is it, Country Life. That is the name of it, Country Life. Okay? All right, let's go back. Let's go back to what we just figured out and let's see how that works. All right, let's take this away. Delete. Let's just do image sets. This must be it. But this is not all of the ones I have purchased. Go back to Canvas. You know what? I'm going to start all over again. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. All right, friends, we're back. I just reopened Cricut. We're going to go to New Project. We're going to open up Images. So I'm going to left click on Images. Come down here to the bottom, Advanced Search. I'm going to left click. Right here, Image Sets. I'm going to left click Image Sets. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click Purchased. Hey, bingo. Bingo. They've made it even easier. That's how we do it, friends. We just figured it out. So let's go back through that one more time. You come in, left click Images, come to the bottom, click Advanced Search, left click. Come over to Image Sets, left click. Come to Purchased, left click. These are your purchased cartridges or image sets. Okay, that's really cool. I've never come in and figured something out while I was making a video, so that was kind of fun that we got to discover that together. I think this is a new feature. So let's enjoy this easy new feature that Cricut has come up with. And if there are any comments or questions or anything else you're having issues with, we may be able to do another video and figure it out together again. All right, great. Hey, thanks for joining me. This was a really fun and kind of entertaining video for me myself. I'll tell you what, we'll meet up again in the next video and we'll see what else I've figured out. All right, have a great week. Bye.